Okay, for Indiana history, guys, we're going to start with this Unit 2 flashcards. And so far, I've only included flashcards that would cover the material of all the notes that you have taken. So you want to keep up with this because I've just added a few for each lesson, and then you'll be in really great shape when it comes time for our study guide and our end of the unit test. Okay, so play the got it cards, and if you want to come down here and change the mode, if you would rather do different just regular flashcards, you can change your mode down here. Okay, and then once you've done that, you're going to head over to Indian History Unit 2. Now some of you, in fact I think most of you, did this on your green papers because I only had Cole and I believe Daya submit the papers on Seesaw, which is fine. If you thought you did it on Seesaw and I did not mention your name, you got to be sure that you're checking that green check mark, okay? Um, that's in that top right-hand corner to submit it. So I have all three of your pages here that, because yesterday I only included the first one. You have to start with clicking Add Response, okay? So if I'm gonna show you here, I'm gonna do all, and remember you can zoom in. Okay. Oh, I keep doing that. Every time I go to show you, I always do that. Okay. There we go. So click your text boxes, type what you need to type, drag it over, resize it how you want it. But all of that's the same. Now, what's the most important part is over here, this green circle with the white check mark. If you're not clicking this, it does not get sent to me, so I won't see it. Okay. Now, if you chose to do it on your green papers like normal, that's fine too. No worries. But you're trying to get us that whole packet finished sometime today, and I'll probably give you a little bit of time tomorrow, so don't worry if you don't get it finished. When you guys are done with Indiana history and you are waiting to move on for the next set of instructions, you guys can have two options. You can either continue to work on writing in your writing notebook. You can start your historical event, the nonfiction writing that we were starting right before I left. I was writing about the Great Depression. You guys all picked your own topic, and you've been collecting some research and looking for information to include in your writing. You can start that, or you can read. And maybe that part of that reading is looking for some information for that report. Okay, that's what the plan is for Indiana history. If you have any questions, let the grown-up in the room know. Hopefully, and if I'm back from my appointment, I will get in touch with Mrs. Kennedy or Mr. Moreland, see if we can't Zoom. Thanks, guys.